Okay, we're still doing the Golden Healer workshop. We're going to focus on the mental body this time with 3 different energies. Now, I haven't got a beer today to introduce. A friend suggested introducing cocktails. So I replied back and said, well, have they got interesting names? Well, he said one of them is called Something on the Beach. And I thought, well, that's interesting. I've left the first word out, obviously, for your creative imagination, which is what you're going to need for this meditation. So we've got a golden healer. I've got quite a light one there today. That is actually Oblivion amethyst point, really quite nice, and a purple fluorite. Before I carry on though, I did find this in the red hematite quartz box, so it's red quartz. This one has actually got the golden healer in it as well, so I've sort of kept that. I will be looking for any more of those actually. So the mental body as a whole contains the intellect, logical mind, a subplane that is causal to this, and the abstract higher mind that subsequently appropriates the intuition. So to explain that more fully, every plane has 7 subplanes. So the mental plane itself has 7. The lower 4 concern intellect, logical mind, and all those aspects of lower mind. The 5th subplane is causal. This is the plane of the soul. And the 2 higher subplanes is the abstract higher mind, the higher mental. So there you have it all. Golden Healer relays the energies of illumination concerning the synthesizing of these 3 aspects of the mental body, which functions upon the mental plane. So for our case of looking at it, we separate that into 3. So the aura contains the lower mental, the causal, and the higher mental. But in essence, they're all part of the mental plane itself. The purple fluorite is important for the process, and the amethyst clears the channels for integration. So what can the golden healer illuminate? It can throw light upon what is essential and non-essential. It illuminates because it uplifts the spirits, and from that place there is a clearer reality. So here's the meditation. Place your crystals in front of you in a triangle. It doesn't matter what their position is. Now I've got my triangle here. Obviously you can't see it. I've got my fluorite at the front. Top right I've got my amethyst. Top left my golden healer. Now become quiet and still, bringing about a harmonic resonance. Focus upon the crystals. You see them with your physical eyes. And from your physical eyes, you become aware of your 3rd eye in between them, which is here. Now remove your consciousness from the physical eyes to the 3rd eye. Now move the crystals so they are displayed in a vertical line. Be guided as to their positions. This is all from the 3rd eye approach. My crystals are in a vertical line. Crystal at the bottom, closest to you, relates to your intellect. Its energies will release your limitations concerning the creation of thought, to enable you to start to realize what you are creating. Because although it concerns the intellect, it also radiates light upon it. So pick up the crystal. Imagine an overshadowing light above your head. Ask the light what mental thought patterns do not serve you and are non-essential for your spiritual growth. You are in a state of no thought until thought will enter. And this will indicate to you what needs to be adjusted in your everyday thinking. You can bring light upon it from the overshadowing light, upon the subject, to reveal the opposite polarity is required to be substituted. So bring in that opposite polarity. Do not forget the crystal you are holding is the initiator of this process. And realise this doesn't mean this will be a big event. It might be quite simple. To you, almost insignificant. When you have finished this process, it will link and reveal much more to you. And another reason is that to reveal too much to you at this point will be detrimental for your spiritual growth. You will not cope from your present level of understanding. It is wise to record what you gain from this meditation. And place the crystal down to the position it was in before you picked it up. Now pick up the middle crystal. This relates to the causal level of mind, soul. It is beyond your intellect, so you will not be so familiar with it. The crystal you have chosen will have a unique resonance with that which is causal to your intellectual mind. So let us say it is causal mind. Notice the similarity to the word cause. Realise this is the second aspect of your mind nature, which needs to be developed. Reaffirm your contact with the light above the head. The crystal you are holding resonates with this light. Relax into this resonance. The energy that now is generated is the energy of love. This is the second aspect of your mind. This energy impregnates your consciousness and your subtle bodies. What follows is the dual aspect of love, and this is wisdom. So attune your mind to this wisdom. After a period of assimilation, place the crystal back down in its original position and pick up the last crystal. This represents the first aspect of mind, the higher mind, the abstract mind. This will blend the other two. Golden healer is important in this process. Now the light above the head also has within it the first aspect of mind, which may be unknown to you. So now give over the first two aspects of mind and relegate all their information of them below your threshold of consciousness. Drop thought away and down and out. Realize this abstract mind is also the creative mind. And at that point of realization, your crystal responds to it and sends waves of energy to your aura and mind. Allow a short time for assimilation. And replace your crystal back to its original position. And just finish that meditation by grounding the energies, becoming aware of the earth beneath you. Slowly bringing your consciousness back into your surroundings.